In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple columns in Google Sheets at once. If you've ever needed to expand your sheet quickly without inserting columns one by one, this method will save you time and keep your data organized. First, open your web browser and head to Google. Make sure you're signed in to your Google account so you can access your files. At the top right of the Google homepage, click the grid icon, the small 9-dot app launcher. This opens a panel with Google Apps. From there, select Sheets to open Google Sheets. Once you're in Google Sheets, open the spreadsheet you want to edit. You can choose a recent file or search for the one you need. After your document loads, take a moment to identify exactly where you want more space. Knowing the placement ahead of time will help you choose whether to insert columns to the left or to the right of your selection. Here's the key step that makes multiple column insertion easy. Click the letter at the top of a column header to highlight the entire column. Now, select as many columns as the number you want to add. For example, if you want to add 3 new columns, highlight 3 existing columns. You can do this by clicking the first column letter and dragging across, or by clicking the first one, then holding Shift and clicking the last one. The number of columns you have highlighted will determine how many new columns Google Sheets will insert for you in one go. With those columns highlighted, right-click on any of the selected column headers. A context menu will appear. In that menu, you'll see options that match the count you selected, such as Insert 3 columns left or Insert 3 columns right. Choose the direction based on where you want the new space to appear, relative to your selection. Insert left will place the new columns immediately to the left of the first highlighted column. Insert right will place them to the right of the last highlighted column. As soon as you click your choice, Google Sheets will insert all of those columns at once, shifting your data accordingly. If you inserted them in the wrong spot or picked the wrong side, don't worry, use Undo to revert and try again. After inserting, review your sheet to ensure headers, formulas, and formatting still align. This quick selection and insert approach is the fastest way to add multiple columns while keeping your layout intact. And that's it. You've just learned the cleanest, most efficient way to add multiple columns in Google Sheets at once.